Hello friends, welcome to senior college. You are get admission in BCom faculty, commerce faculty, and in this faculty I always welcome. In first semester I taught the subject fundamental of financial accounting. The paper number BC 1.1. Dear student, last year you studied various types of uh, accounting, but in the senior colleges in BCom, here some contents or units given to you. Fundamental of financial accounting is our subject name, and in this subject you studied the first chapter or first unit, that is introduction to accountancy. In this chapter we must understand the meaning of accountancy, objective of accountancy, types and rules of debit and credit, journal, ledger, Indian accounting standards, and numerical problems on journal and ledger. This chapter is mix numerical and theoretical. Some concept we studied, that is theoretical, and problems on journal ledger has been given to you, that is numerical. So this is first units. Second units, final accounts of sole trader. Friends, last year means 12th standard you studied partnership final accounts, but this chapter is so different. Final account of sole trader. What is what contains in this unit? Meaning of final account, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, adjustment entries, and numerical problems on final accounts of sole trader. You studied also this chapter in previous year, but newly we studied this chapter in a new view. Third unit, joint venture account. This chapter is also numerical practical. In this unit, meaning of joint venture, co-venture, and numerical problems on joint venture. Only meaning of joint venture and co-venture, two theoretical points, and then if you understand this point, then we start numerical problems on joint venture. This is third unit. Fourth unit, hire purchase system. This is also new for you. In this chapter, meaning of hire purchase contract, legal provision regarding hire purchase contract, and numerical problems on it. This chapter is also total practically studied or numerically studied. And last unit, fifth unit, that is royalty accounts. This is also new for you. Meaning of royalty, meaning of rent, short working, numerical problems on royalty. This chapter is also practically we studied. For this syllabus of fundamental of financial accounting, some reference book has been given to you. First is advanced accountancy, which is written by Jain Narang. Second is advanced accountancy, R.C. Shukla. Third one is new approach to accountancy, H.R. Kotalwar. Fourth one is advanced financial accounting, Dr. S.S. Agrawal, Dr. P. Aboti. Fifth one is bookkeeping and accountancy, Dr. Shiv Prasad Dongre. This book are covered the syllabus of financial accounting. So best of luck for this syllabus. Now you are come me or admit in senior college in commerce faculty. The examination patterns you must know. The examination patterns of this subject is, first of all, uh, we discuss continuous assessment. In continuous assessment, two class tests which are for 10 marks given in our class. Second is assignment, tutorial, seminar presentation for in the particular subject, which are 15 marks, means 25 marks is in continuous assessment which are given in the college in the particular subject teachers. And the end of semester examination, which is conducted by the university, our university, Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, 75 marks. So 100 marks for this first semester of fundamental of financial accounting. So you must know the examination pattern. Question pattern is also we discuss in lastly. So thank you friends, stay home and stay safe. If any queries, any problems about this subject fundamental of financial accounting, you ask me. My mobile number is 9881480582. My email is sukeshdhemre@gmail.com. Thank you friends.